Hello everyone, welcome to the ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is January 12th. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to look at the FTSE 60-minute chart. 60 minutes chart here. We have ended with 2 in the intermediate degree at 7,300 and now has continued to rally higher within this with 3, right? So this 7303 is with 2. You can see in the subdivision here is in a 5 waves impulse. We have with 1, with 2, and then now looking to end with 3 here. If you do the extension analysis, currently we are within the 100% extension area. We can still see a little bit more upside until it hits the 1.618 to finish this with 3 right here, and then get a pullback and then higher again. So as long as we stay above this 7303, any kind of pullback should continue to find support and buyers and continue to go higher, right? Now let's zoom out and look at the daily time frame. I'm going to copy this with 2 here into the daily time frame. This is the same location as the 1 hour time frame. This is your with 2 here. So that means if this is with 2, that means this is your with 1. Okay, and we're looking therefore at the cycle that started from this low from October 13 last year, right? So from October 13 last year, we have this high sequence that if you just simply do the extension analysis, it will look for minimum, like usually with 3 should be at least not have to, but typically guideline wise it can even go to 1.618. But even in a corrective structure, usually when you have a high sequence, the third leg should reach 100%, which is 8200. So we're looking for more upside here until at least 8200, and therefore when we're looking at the shorter cycle, right? Let's go to the 1 hour time frame again. Let me copy this 1 and 2 so you can see it on the daily. So currently we're looking to finish the 3, right? Okay, so looking for 3, 4 and 5, and once that is complete, once that 5 waves is finished, you should be ending with 1 of 3, right? So you should be ending with 1 of 3. Like this. Okay, and then you will need to correct this entire 5 waves up in a 3 waves like this to finish your with 2 of 3, and then you should go higher again, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, 5 of 3, something like that. And it can be more than this, but it should be something like this: 3 of 3, 4 of 3, 5 of 3, and that will only end 3 in blue. Okay, so that's kind of the path here. So if we just focus on the shorter cycle, it's pretty simple and straightforward. We should continue to extend higher, and that's it. And if there is any pullback, that pullback is going to be finding to continue to find support in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing. Okay, so if you do want to get more updates in FTSE or any other indices, stocks, Forex, cryptos, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.